What's up, fellow drivers? Back with the fourth of our daily drivers and the end of our MR2 only series. Next week, we'll be doing things all about the GTR. Don't worry, we'll come back to the MR2 at some point, but I just wanted to start out this first week with MR2 only. So let's get into it. Many of you have probably heard of the TRD kit or the 2000 GT kit offered from TRD for the SW20. This originally came out in 1998 and they only made 35 original versions. Now these were cars that were actually modified by TRD to bespoke specifications for each owner in-house. Now, we don't know exactly what the modifications were for each of the cars. Many of them had very minor modifications, up to some that made 500 horsepower. Beyond that, there were some kits that were still available for third-party conversion, and you probably see a lot of them around nowadays, but most of them are all copies. So there are very few original TRD body kits and even fewer original TRD kits that were done in-house for the original run by TRD. So that's it for our daily driver, and I'll see you guys in the next video.